just going to talk a little bit quickly about how to read nap. Okay, basically there's three ways that you can try and read the nap. I'm going to go through those three ways. But just very quickly, what is nap? Basically, nap is the direction the grass grows. So depending on the type of grass, sometimes how they cut the greens, right, the grass will tend to grow in a certain direction. And the more dramatically it all grows in the same direction, then the stronger the nap is. Right, nap works basically very similar to slope. Okay, the direction the grass grows will pull the golf ball in that direction. Okay, if you're putting into the nap, it'll be slow, it'll hold the golf ball up. If you're putting down grain with the nap, the ball will be fast, or the putt will be faster as it rolls on top of the grass. Okay, so here's the three ways that you can try and ascertain, figure out where the nap is going. Okay, so here's the first way, kind of dependent on how new or old the cups are. Okay, but basically we can see how the cup is worn here, okay, on this edge. Right, obviously this cup is quite old, therefore it's worn a lot. And basically what that's telling you is, okay, the nap is growing in this direction here. Okay, so the nap's growing in that direction there. Well, actually, do it correctly, in that direction there. Okay, so why this is worn is that's where roots would have been that would have covered this area of the cup. Okay, by inserting the cup, the roots that would have been here, okay, have been cut away. Therefore this dies, and that's where you get the wear. Okay, if you look really closely, you can see a little bit of overgrowth over there. That's because the grass is all growing in that direction. Okay, so the nap is running that direction there. Okay, so these putts will be fast, these putts will be slow, right to left, left to right. Okay, that's how it's going to work. Okay, the second way is a bit more complicated and obviously a little difficult to see on camera. Okay, but the second way is to look for a place where you think water would drain off the green. So imagine, okay, somebody watering the green like this gentleman over here, okay, and where you think the water would run off, okay, would give you the low point of the green. So we can see a bit of runoff there. Okay, so that means, okay, the grain is going to grow in that direction that the water is running off. It's almost a good base way of doing it as you walk up to the green, to give you an idea. Okay, hold on a second, that's probably where the nap is going, and then you can double check around the cup. Okay, and then the last way is color. Now this one is a little bit not as accurate, okay, but it'll give you a good idea. So even standing here, we look towards that hole where my putt is lying. Okay, we can see how light the areas of the green are. Okay, now that is because we are looking down grain, so the sun is shining off the top of the grass, and that's giving us that light sort of tinge to it. Okay, now as we walk around, you can really see on the left of the screen how much darker the grass is appearing. And then if I walk all the way around, okay, so you can see now this grass here in the front of the screen, which was light when we were above the hole, is now dark or darker. And that is because we are now looking into the grain, so we're looking at the tops of the blades of the grass. Okay, so three ways there that we've ascertained what this nap is. So now we are 100% sure which way the nap is going.